Welcome back to Be Eloquent. As we know that communication is an integral part of our daily life and grammar creates the base for effective communication. The series Learn English in 30 Days has some English grammar lessons through which English learners can improve their communication skills. Today, in this lesson, we are going to learn future continuous tense. We are going to learn how to form future continuous tense, forming affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences, as well as future continuous usage. Future continuous tense is also known as future progressive tense. The future continuous tense is a verb tense which indicates that something will happen in future and continue for an expected period of time. Example: he'll be playing tennis at 9 a.m. tomorrow. In order to form future continuous tense, we use subject, and the auxiliary verbs will be or shall be, as well as present participle of the verb and rest of the sentence. The present participle is a form of verb that ends in ing. For example, the present participle of run is running. The present participle of play is playing. Look at the examples. I'll be watching television on Sunday. I shall be reading novel. They will be playing cricket tomorrow. The future continuous tense is easier to use than the present or past continuous because the verb be remains the same regardless of what the subject is. Future continuous can also be formed by using be, which is rm, plus going to, plus present participle. Instead of will in future continuous tense, we use rm plus going to. Example: she is going to be dancing. He is going to be watching TV. They are going to be playing tennis. And going to becomes gonna be. After learning going to construction, you can sound more natural when speaking in English, as it is used more frequently in spoken English by saying gonna be instead of going to. Look at the example. I'm gonna be watching a new movie tomorrow with my friends. Going to form isn't used very often in official writing, and gonna be is not appropriate in a formal situation. To form affirmative sentences, the formula for the future continuous tense is subject along with will and be, followed by present participle and rest of the sentence. Look at the examples. I'll be driving my new car this weekend. He will be singing in the concert tomorrow. I think Tara will be participating in the dance competition this year. You'll be seeing my mother next month on parent-teacher meet. They'll be doing yoga for better flexibility and good health. To make future continuous tense in negative form, use this formula: subject followed by will and not, and be plus present participle. will not becomes won't in contracted form. Examples: Ratna will not be going to school when it's raining. He will not be meeting with his friends after his graduation is over. I won't be watching horror movies anymore. You won't be working on Saturday. They won't be watching TV at 11 p.m. tomorrow. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and will. When asking a question in future continuous tense, use the formula shall or will followed by a subject plus be plus present participle and question mark. Examples: Will you be attending yoga session tomorrow morning? Will they be joining online classes in this semester? Will we be reading literary theories this year? Will she be speaking to us when we reach there? Will he be driving the car? The formula to create WH questions in future continuous is question word followed by will and subject plus be plus present participle and a question mark, or question words who, what, why, etc. plus will plus subject plus be and present participle along with a question mark. Examples: What will he be doing next month? When will they be reaching to attend the conference? Where will they be organizing their concert? What will you be wearing on your birthday? Why will she be coming late on Sunday? Usage of future continuous tense. It is used to show interrupted actions in the future. Example: I'll be playing chess when my sister arrives tonight. Your father will be waiting for you when your bus arrives. In these examples, interruptions are in simple present rather than in simple future. This is because the interruptions are in time clauses and you cannot use future tense in time clauses. This tense is also used to show a specific time as an interruption in the future. Example: Today at 1 p.m. she is going to be reading the new book. Tomorrow morning he'll be practicing yoga with his friends. Future continuous is also used to show parallel actions in the future. I'm going to be singing and he'll be playing guitar. She is going to be studying and he is going to be making dinner. It is also used to ask questions politely. Will you be helping me in the kitchen? Will they be joining us during their vacation? It is also used to show the atmosphere in the future. I want to go to the party. Everyone will be dancing and celebrating. Look at the table to understand future continuous tense better. Often we use this tense for talking about an action that is going to take place in future and will continue for a certain period of time. Contraction with future continuous tense. When we use the future continuous tense in speaking, we often contract the subject and will. In negative sentences, we may contract with won't like this. Time expressions with future continuous tense. So today we came to know about future continuous tense that describes an action which will go on for some time in future. I hope you found these rules meaningful and useful. You can also write me in the comment section below, as well as you can subscribe this channel to remain updated about next lecture. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and share it. Thank you for watching.